I'm happy to introduce our next Craft and Go kit, which is a mashup of Alchemy of Art and some uniquely creative. So I've designed this really fun tag folio. It's a little bit masculine, and we're always looking for something masculine to give to the significant others in our life, whether it's our partners, our husbands, our sons, our brothers. And so this is a really great way to incorporate a gift card, or have some memorabilia from a trip or some sort of special occasion. So the belly band is actually twine, and we've added this great metal gear, which you could customize if you wanted. But this has got lots of flips and flaps and folds and lots of space. So you're going to get a tag in your kit that you can distress, as well as all of this ephemera, and all the base pages and cardstock that you see is included in the kit. So when we open it up, it's actually got a triple fold in it, and full instructions and measurements are in the kit as well. Here we've got 2 pockets. So if I take the tag, we've got a spot to put memorabilia or another tag, and I've tucked some ephemera in here. There's another pocket here. This is a great open up folio. We've got another little tuck where we can put something in here. And then again, we've got our 2 sides. This is like a vertical belly band that we can tuck things in as well. And then our back is finished with a little slide holder so that when it folds up, we've got all our pieces here and it's ready to go. So full instructions and all the supplies you need to create this are available in the store, both online and in store. So come on in and check it out, and happy crafting.